yung pong usapin ng Ghost Project, I think na prosecute ho natin ng buo. Bagamat wala ho yung SIMS, no? But we will issue a subpoena in the soonest time para mabuo ho natin yung kwento. But from the side of Engineer Alcantara, more or less kompleto na rin po ito. Pangalawa, yung pong ibang mga personnel ng Bulacan First District Engineering Office ay ipapatawag na rin po. So may mga pangalan na rin pong nabanggit kanina. So they will be invited to the next hearing. No? Pangalawa, napag-usapan na rin yung mga substandard projects. No? So may confirmation, may mga documents na rin po that have been read into the record. Yung pong mga kontrata ng St. Timothy ng Wawa Builders ay nailatag na rin po sa araw po na ito. No? So may confirmation na rin po si Engineer Alcantara dito po sa bagay na ito. Hopefully, pagka nag-issue na po ng subpoena, magpapakita na rin po yung Wawa Builders at saka St. Timothy. So, I think pwede man hong gawin ng Congress yung within the rules yung po pagkakaroon ng subpoena itself. No? So, I think it's something that we can do whether it's a subpoena or a show cause order.
Sir, what's next? What's next? Kailan yung next hearing at ano yung mga...
Well, we have to talk pa among the chairs when the next hearing will be. But very important nga ho na mapasipot po muna natin yung pong Sims Construction, Wawa Builders, and St. Timothy kasi sila po talaga yung pinakasangkot dito po sa substandard projects and particularly in Ghost Project.
Sir, sa malaking tanong, nasa na po si Kong Zaldico? Biglang bawi si Kong Elise kanina doon sa kanyang motion na imbitahan ni Zaldico and Bruce po. Ano po nangyari doon?
I don't know. You have to ask Congressman Elise that, why he withdrew the motion. So, well, he withdrew the motion and we proceeded.
Sir, but will the committee invite him to future hearings?
I think if there is a showing that there is an anomalous transaction, anomalous contract, anomalous project, substandard, or ghost project to a company that is linked to him, then of course we will be compelled to invite him to the hearing.
But Sunwest Corporation is part of the contractors po na nila.
Yeah, that's what I said. It is linked to him, correct? Yes. So if there is a showing that there are anomalous contracts, anomalous projects, substandard or ghost that are linked to Sunwest, then we might be compelled to invite him.
Sir, but right now, do you think there is a need to invite him given na ibang mga kongresista sinasabi nila na may mga questions sa BICAM, sa budget, sa mga nangyaring changes at the BICAM level?
Yeah, I think you have to ask Congressman Chanco that. No? Kasi it is him that has been hounding Congressman Zaldico. It is just him, no one else, actually. Among the people in Congress today, I think it is him that has been asking these questions. Again, these are legitimate questions, but I'm not quite certain how actually and specifically relevant it is to the flood control hearings today.
Actually, kung nagkaroon ba ng Congresswoman Laila De Lima also raise the topic, even siguro kahit sa
I think they mentioned it, no? Pero I think it was not to the point that it almost disrupted the proceedings.
Sir, si Mayor Magalong po ba, kailan po natin pahaharapin?
I think in due time, not in the next hearing. But I think we have to be able to show the nation also that we are serious about not doing a scattershot investigation here. No? And I think that is something that we have achieved today, despite the delay this morning, na meron pong proseso, meron pong lohika, may actual pong plano magpanagot ang Kongreso po dito sa usapin po ng flood control.
Hindi naman lumihis yung ilang mga congressman sa kung anong agenda dapat today.
Well, I think malaya naman po yung mga kongresista na dalhin po yung hearing kung saan ho nila gustong dalhin kasi may karapatan naman ho silang mag-interpolate. No? So,